Need to transfer Michigan property quickly? Adding a spouse to your deed or going through a divorce? You need a Michigan quitclaim deed. Most people think transferring property is complicated and expensive. They assume they need to hire an attorney for a lot of money. Or worse, they download a free generic form that doesn't comply with Michigan law. This leads to rejection by the county recorder and starting over. Meanwhile, your property transfer sits in limbo, wasting time and money. Log into your account. Here's the truth. Michigan quitclaim deeds are straightforward if you have the right forms. A quitclaim deed is perfect for adding or removing a spouse, transferring to family, or correcting errors. It's the fastest, simplest way to transfer Michigan real estate. Warranties aren't needed when trust exists between parties. It's all about having the right compliant forms. Here's the process. Complete the Michigan-specific quitclaim deed form with all necessary details. Sign it in front of a notary and record it with your county recorder. Include the required property transfer affidavit. The whole process takes days, not months, and costs under $100. No need for thousands in attorney fees. But here's what you must get right. Your form must comply with current Michigan law. You need the exact legal description without errors. File the property transfer affidavit within 45 days to avoid penalties. Ensure proper Michigan notarization and county compliance. One mistake means rejection and delays. That's why you need professionally prepared Michigan quitclaim deed forms. They include current Michigan compliant templates and step-by-step instructions. You'll get property transfer affidavit forms and recording requirements for all counties. Sample completed deeds show exactly what to do. Instructions for claiming tax exemptions are also included. Stop overpaying attorneys for simple property transfers. Download your Michigan quitclaim deed forms now and transfer your property this week. Fast, simple, affordable, and done right.